guys, welcome back to my channel. And of course, as you can tell by the circuit that I have here, I officially have a Snap Circuits light and sound combo set. So if you guys are wondering what this circuit is, this is Project 391 crazy circuit, which I'll show you. It's right here. And so, because the circuit's already built, let's turn it on. And of course, this video shows how it works. So when the circuit is first turned on, you notice that the fan started moving and the color organ is now flashing colors. Now the keyboard is overhanging the bass grid, so you want to make sure that the connections to it stay secure. But anyways, when you press the key, the speaker makes a tone and the color organ changes colors faster. Make sure this is stable enough. Now when I turn on the slight switch that's under the photo transistor, the speaker now starts making a ticking sound. You can still press these blue keys, but when you press the green keys, it's gonna make a weird sound. So this keyboard appears to be a bit unstable. But as you can see, the color LED is flashing, and it's changing the tone. It's changing the tone. Now, the RV resistor up there changes the tone of U23. And if you can hear, there's a sound coming from the motor. I'll just stop it. And you can hear a tone. Okay. I'm sorry if this is hurting your eyes. But anyways, this is the end of the video. Sorry if you're hearing those noises. Those are just the radiators. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and goodbye.